What's up guys, Justin Eagle here, and I'm back and we're about to do something special today. Yes, currently I'm actually in Tokyo, Japan, and we're gonna check out this Japanese hotel room, so I hope you enjoy it. Here's a little bit of the elevator room right here, and we got a vendor room. Let's check this out. Push that open. Oh, look at that, we got ice, microwave, oh, a vending machine that sells beer. Who would have thought? Look at that. That's ice cold beer. And look how lightly, bright it is. And these vending machines are dope. Go over here. It looks like we've got some water. Maybe like a coffee max. And Japanese Fanta. Japanese Coke. Look, that's not even a real Coke. That's a bottle that's been cut in half. Look, you can see it. Oh my gosh, these displays are amazing. We got a mini Sprite here, a mini Coke there. So sick. Now we go over here. More displays. You don't see this in America where the displays are set up like this to where they're actual advertisements rather than being the actual product that you're seeing. You can kind of see kind of like a grape drink there, apple drink. Go down lower. Looks like Fire Black. That looks like a I don't know, some kind of energy? It looks like coffee beans? I don't know. And, oh, bam, got the Red Bulls right there on lock. 200 yen, come get it. This is actually pretty dope. This is my first time seeing this, actually. Because I just noticed this over here, and I was like, I'm going to walk into it. They have a vending machine that sells beer. What kind of crap is that? Bam. Coke on, bam. Ice machine. Got some random recyclables here in the corner. You can recycle. Look at that. Amazing. Alright guys, now let's head to the room. Hold it in front of the door, turn screen. Let's walk on in. Wow. Now I actually spent the night here, the night before, so everything is a little ruffled. I didn't, obviously it's just, it's in its condition. I didn't film the video before, but I thought it'd be better to film it now. We're gonna go ahead and check out the bathroom. Actually, let's see this mirror. What's up? Alright, let's go check out the bathroom. Look at this toilet. This toilet does everything. It washes, it extracts. You got your little setup right here. Look at that. Like you can come over here to the front or the rear and the pressure and the position. Oh my gosh, Japan's toilets are on a whole nother level. And then of course we got all your essentials right there. You got the shower right here. This awesome sink with the soap and the 2 glasses in case you want to walk. In case you want to, I don't know, rinse your mouth out with them. I don't know. Look at these bottles. Okay, you go to an American hotel, they're not going to have bottles like these. Those are shampoo, body wash, and conditioner bottles. Not the little packets that you rip open. It's exceptionally done well. And that shower head is impeccable. That thing is amazing. It's got a bunch of tiny holes in it, and they shoot out just so effortlessly, and it's so quiet, and it's just so smooth. I can't believe it. Here's the back side of the door. It's actually kind of short, and you have to step up into it. Like, another foot on me, I'd be hitting the ceiling. So you open it right there. It's just a little door. See, it's kind of a little step down. You can kind of see it right there. Look at it. But it's dope. It's a cool, nice little bathroom. Alright, on to over here. Of course, we got your hanger essentials right here. Now, in Japan, they actually require, they don't require, but it's kind of part of their policy that you wear slippers in the room. I actually did. I was like, I want to feel Japanese. I want to do as their customs say. And I was like, I'm going to put these on. And those, I guess, are for girls, these are for guys, but they both look kind of girly. And then, of course, we've got this kind of like slip-on slipper here, or whatever it is, and that to dust your shoes off. I'm not even sure what this is a shoe horn. This isn't to beat someone with, this is to put your shoes on with. Wow, crazy. And then there's that, and then I don't even know what this is. What is that? Look at it. I'll try to focus in on it. I think that is a, what do they call it? Not an evaporator, but it's like, I'm not even sure, but it basically just cleanses the room, I think. Here's like a little fold-out table, I guess, if you, oh my god, it's made by Toshiba. It's insane. So I guess if you want to iron clothes or whatever, this right here, Ventnor mist. Dope. That's all I gotta say. Now we'll venture here. Look, they actually gave me a room with 2 beds. I was staying alone, but this is how they wanted to do it, so I wasn't complaining. Here's our temperature gauge on the wall. You can kind of see what's going on there. And typically, when you walk into my stays in Tokyo, Japan, this is what the bed will look like. It'll be made up like this, real nice. They actually have a nice foam on the bed, so it's like really relaxing. Great sleep. Unfortunately, jet lag affects a whole lot of that, so I didn't really get the greatest, but it is what it is. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is just a table to put like storage units on. I use it for my jacket, my backpack, so there's that. And moving over here, looks like we got like a kind of like an essentials table right here. Of course, I got my passport out and everything, and then you can kind of see right there they have a restaurant that's indoors. I actually ate at it last night. Great restaurant, very cool. See if I can get that focused in right there. There we go. It's just very nice, very well done. There's 2 electrical outlets right there. I know that looks like a pregnancy test, but it's not. It's 2 electrical outlets. Look, they have a little bag with a little hairdryer in it. I didn't even open it. I just let it sit there all night because it looks so nice. Little tissue box right there. Boom. Light switch. Engage your lamp on and on. And then, of course, we got the big, I don't know what that is, 45-inch Panasonic television. We got some, looks like we got some news going on. Maybe like a medical outbreak. I don't know. This is the complimentary water that they give you at Hotel My Stays. And let's see here. Let's see if I can get that to focus in. Stupid thing. Premier Hotel My Stays. Just look at all that. It's just so nice. It's actually very good. Got the fridge down here. Let's see what's in there. Boom, ba-da, boom, boom. Of course, it's the other water they gave me. That's the only thing I have to store. Nothing in the freezer. Nothing. Of course, we go over here. Now, Japanese people, a lot of them like coffee. So they got this like little coffee maker in here. I'm pretty sure it can make tea. I don't know what that is. Green tea, that's what that is. Okay, that's a tea bag. Okay, so maybe that's only for making tea. I don't know. It looks like it could possibly make coffee as well. You know, we go ahead and get a little close up right there. That's your little disposable tray. They got ashtrays for smoking, but they got tea bag trays for your tea bags. And then, of course, down here we got this little safe. Look at that. Just go in there and put all my buttons in, and you know, put my prized Pokemon collection in there, and that way nobody can steal it. And I guess it has like a little bit of a liability clause right there written and all that stuff. I don't even know, what does it say? Instructions. This is just instructions. Hey, you. This is how you do your thing, and this is how you want to do it. And they even got it in English. Look at that. They got the English and the Japanese over there. Look at that. Close the door, press 4-digit password, you're good. Go ahead and close that up. Lock that up. Ain't nobody trying to get my holographic Charizard. Okay? Ain't having that. Okay, so yeah, we've seen this. You've seen like the television and everything. And then over here they actually have like a little smoking table. Like, I guess a lot of Japanese, some people smoke, and look what this says right here. They even have it in English. Let's see if I can focus in on it. Please refrain from smoking in bed. You can't smoke in the bed in here. That's why this is right here, because this is the smoking table, and you can just kind of chill, smoke if you want to. I don't smoke, but you know, obviously some of them did. And then, like it or not, this is like a good little poker table or something, a little card game, little Uno game going on. It's a short table. It's dope. Guys, take a look at Japan. Look at the buses. You can see kind of down there, they have like a little outdoor pool area. Look at that. Just look at it. There was like a little party going down there last night. I was tempted to run down there and join them and be like, yo, Konnichiwa, my bros. But I decided to just stick it in the room, keep it in the room, because, you know, a man's got to get his sleep, especially after jet lag. And look at all them buses. Look at that other hotel over there. It's amazing. The Samurai Sunrise. It's a great time out here in Tokyo. I'm enjoying it, that's for sure. And of course here we got the other bed right here. And this is the one I slept in. I made it up a little bit for y'all on YouTube land. Hope you're enjoying this, by the way. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. But we're not done yet. We're going to get right back into it. These right here, this is like a nightgown. Like they have two, like one for each patron. And this is like complimentary with your stay. Like, I guess those are like, put your little top on right there, and that's your little top. And then you got your pants right there, and to me it kind of looks like a gi, you know, but it's like a little night thing. It's not necessarily a kimono, but I guess it could be. So I'm gonna set those right there. That way they know that they were not used. I was tempted to put one on. I was just like, man, I'm so tired. So tired. But yeah, guys, it almost wraps up this room tour. It's pretty dope. If you ever come to Japan, I would, you know, I highly encourage staying in one of these places. My stays, they do a great job. They accommodate you, and it's a nice place. They got multiple pools, indoor, outdoor exercise facility, a tennis court, of all things. I'm getting ready to go out there and catch a bus to the airport. But before I do, I want to show you all this. Okay, you go down here. Yes, look at this. No, that is not a jukebox. What that is all your controls to your lights in your room. Look, you hit this right here. It says foot. That little light comes on. Isn't that crazy? And then right here, boom, that's your room light. It's off, right? It's off. Okay, now it's fully on. Now off. Little dim light. Now off. Okay, no, that's the dim light right there. See, you can kind of see it right there. Little dim light. And then one more. Oops. Boom. Fully on. Right here. You got your left and your right controls to this light right here. So I can turn it on and off. You can kind of see that happening there. And then, of course, the right one, of course, does that as well. Got my little clock. Got a little pen to pad in case I want to be a famous rapper. And I can write all my straight fire lyrics on this thing and just get them ready whenever I feel inspired. Maybe I'm a comedian, want to write a joke in the middle of the night that just came to me. Look, USBs. You got USBs, you want to charge your stuff, ain't no problems here. You got your USBs. You got freaking outlets in the dang thing. How many dressers y'all know where you got outlets in them? Probably not much at all, right? Here's the phone. Call it up. Hey, let me get like a fried chicken and some pizza. That was my best attempt. I'm terrible at talking in Japanese, but I gave it a shot. I know konnichiwa means hello, and that's all I got. Down here, people are like, what is that, Justin? What is that little thing? Is that like a taser? If you get like an intruder in, and like randomly, you gotta tase him real quick? It's right side the bed. No, after further investigation and inspection, I found out that if you drop like a key or a card under the bed or whatever and you're losing something, you grab that sucker in the middle of the night, bam! It's a flashlight. Automatically powers on. Look, you can see the AA batteries in there. And you go at it. Oh man, where did my car key go? Y'all look under the bed? Yeah, I looked under it. Alright, cool. Let me just shine my light under there. It's dope. Look at that little thing. America. I know your nice hotel's got dope stuff. But this isn't even the nicest of nice tier. So, step it up. Dope. Alright, see? Put it back in its slot. Just like that. You put it back in. Light goes off. Wow, guys. It's been such a fun adventure staying here. I really appreciated the accommodation. It was a little unfortunate that my flight got canceled. But hopefully things go better today and I won't be back here. And we got one little lone picture on the wall. Look at the picture. It's actually crooked. You know, I didn't feel like fixing it though. You know, because sometimes flaws are perfection and beauty. Like the crack in the Liberty Bell. So I just left it. Kept the vibe. Sun's coming up a little more. Well, guys, that wraps up the end of the tour video. That pretty much showed you everything there is to show you. Would I come back? Yeah, I'd come back. This is dope. It's pretty sick. And You know, I'll flash through the channels for you. You got this one right here, and looks like they're playing some kind of game show or something. And oh my gosh, like some actress people or something. And then you go right here and just, oh, we got CNN. Don't want that there though. Who wants to watch that? And then you go over here and you got more awesome commercials and CCTV and KBS World. And I mean, the Japanese people are so cool, y'all. Got some baseball on the TV. I was watching Ryzen, which is like an MMA promotion earlier. I was psyched on. I was like, this is dope. And yeah, looks like that's gonna do it, guys. The Japanese people have got great culture. They've got great people, and I hope you enjoyed the show. Please stay tuned for more. I know I've been lacking on content a little recently, but guess what? My channel's still growing regardless. I mean, I get subscribers every day, so thank you for that. Please stay tuned. Please stay subscribed. And yeah, if you leave a comment on this video, I will shout you out in a future video, okay? So do it. Have a great night, guys.